Larineco Gum Review. App. The pros, the cons. If you're looking for a chewing gum that promises more than just fresh breath, the Larineco Gum app might catch your attention. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's just a regular gum review platform, but the surprising truth is that the app also provides ingredient breakdowns, user testimonials, and detailed health claims, helping you make informed decisions. Pros. Users love that the app offers clear insights into flavors, sugar content, and potential dental benefits. It highlights unique features like long-lasting taste and natural sweeteners, which appeals to those looking for healthier gum options. The app's interface is simple, and you can track your favorite flavors and see trending products, making it easy to find what suits your preferences. The cons. Some users note that the app occasionally has limited stock information, so you might not always know if a specific gum is available nearby. Others mention that reviews can be inconsistent, with personal opinions varying widely. In short, the pros are detailed ingredient info, flavor tracking, and health-focused insights, while the cons are limited stock details and inconsistent user reviews. The takeaway: Larineco Gum Review app is a useful guide for health-conscious gum lovers, but always double-check availability before heading to the store. If this review helped, like and subscribe for more product insights.